is the 30th of July 2020 years Valtuustokatu fullmäktige gatan försträcker sig in Tikkurila till Kursvi, Vantaa, Finland. 4 birds sorted into 20 birds. Now let's run this elevator quickly. It was built in 1991, turning 30 years old in next year, 2021. 425, 6 floors. Still original. Amazing. Schindlers are quite rare, but not too uncommon in some late 1980s and early 1990s residential buildings in Finland.
Yeah.
I'll check the call button panel. Here. Love it. Well, I have found all of them in between Jokiniemi, Hakenes and Sörnäs.
Yeah.
All 4. Which are from late 1988 and early 1990. And also in Pikkuopalahti I found 1.
Yeah.
And 2 of them in Rastila Rastböle, as well as I think 2 of them in Hertunes. So there are a few of them.
Yeah.
Also in the Helsinki region. No, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the sounds from it. Even though it's a Schindlerized, but it still feels a little bit like some kind of late Valtuustokatu with this machine and just in the way it sounds when it stops. It sounds like it could still be like 1986 or something.
Yeah.
But it's 91.
Inspected by HCP and maintained by Kern.
Maybe it's a type of machine that also Schindler was using some more years after the mid-1980s. That's why it still sounds like it. It's the same type of machine.
Yeah.
Where I would say it's something like that.